So, introducing my ramp to YouTube. It's gonna be like a hashtag BMX channel or something. Hashtag Go Yankees. So, that's my mini ramp, hashtag mini ramp. That's why I didn't go so high. See you next time. Deuces.